Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off your save mode on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. First click on your profile, click on these three lines here, click settings and privacy. Now click privacy, and here just click messaging, and here just click like this, and it will be turned off. And that's how to turn off save mode on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.